Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious popsicle recipe. First, select your favorite fruits like berries or mangoes and choose a juice such as orange or apple. You'll also need a touch of sweetener, perhaps honey or agave. Make sure you have your popsicle molds and sticks ready to go. This simple preparation ensures a smooth start to your frozen treat adventure. Now let's get blending. Combine your fruit, juice, and sweetener in a blender until it's perfectly smooth. Give it a quick taste test and add more sweetener if you like. Then, carefully pour the mixture into your popsicle molds. Remember to leave about 1/4 of an inch of space at the top for expansion as it freezes. This step is crucial for perfect popsicles. Once your molds are filled, it's time to insert the popsicle sticks. Make sure they stand upright in the center of each mold. Then, transfer your molds to the freezer. They will need at least 4 to 6 hours to freeze solid, but for the best texture and firmness, I recommend leaving them overnight. Patience is key for perfectly frozen treats. Finally, the moment you've been waiting for. To easily remove your popsicles, run the molds under warm water for about 15 to 20 seconds. Then, gently pull on the stick, and your delicious frozen treat should slide right out. Enjoy your homemade popsicles immediately, or store them in an airtight container in the freezer for up to 2 weeks. Happy snacking!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.